and you know, one Reggie Trisha, he stopped the stairs, and you know, Arrow, I'm gonna fuck his hoe, and you know, and that I'm gonna go to the flow, but you don't even know, cause you know, I already fucked this hoe down in the flow, and you don't even know, cause you can't see me, but you know, Turtle is a wanna fucking be, and you know that I'm fucking peeing on your girlfriend's fucking face, and shit's a fucking disgrace, cause you know, I'm in her place, fuck her right in the pussy, but you don't know me, and you wanna fucking be me when you grow up, because you know I'm a peanut cup when I go to get my physical, because you know that I'ma get a fucking, I don't know. Ooh, that rhymes at the end. I was like, I don't know. Ooh. You don't know? Oh yeah, say it, please. So I'm gonna take off my record.
Alright. Turtle stay. Alright, there you go.
Oh, I thought